Hey guys, I'm Jaimee Lee and Hey guys, I'm Jaimee Lee and I'm the director and owner. Beep. Serious one? Hey guys, I'm Jaimee Lee and I'm the director and owner of Salon Jaimmelee, and welcome to our channel. I'm so excited to be launching this YouTube channel. I have wanted to do this for the longest time and it's finally the right time. This channel will be a creative space showing you a little more into the salon, showing you tutorials. With my ponytail and my scarf, I have just created a plait.
In the comments below. So now we're just going to be using the tiniest bit. Next, I'll be going in with my Sleek Hold Styling Pomade.
It's the 28th of October. Yep. I knew that one. Vlogs of us girls, campaigns, educational videos, and overall topics that I'm super passionate about. As well as that, we want to showcase you guys, the SJL family, and even sometimes having you on the show. I cannot wait to show you what we've been working on. There is lots in store. Why are you laughing? It's not good? No. Sending loads of love, subscribe, like and share, and see you in our next video.